Hi, I'm Matt with Aeromotive Fuel Systems, and today we're here in the shop talking about one of the most important yet most neglected parts of your fuel system, and that would be the fuel filters. We've got a couple different sets of filters here. These are our 10 micron microglass filters. These are our 10 micron cellulose filters. We're going to talk a little bit about what the damaging effects to your fuel system can be if you don't change your filters on a regular basis. So here's what appears to be a clean 10 micron microglass filter, and as you can see here, here's a 10 micron microglass filter that has been crushed due to extreme pressures of a high flow, high horsepower fuel system with a clogged and dirty element. So the pressure buildup inside the system with that clogged element has actually caused the filter to crush and distort, as you can see here inside the filter housing itself. And you can see it takes a fair amount of force to cause something to distort like that. If I push down on this fairly hard, it takes quite a bit of force to distort this. So you can imagine the internal pressures going on inside your filter housing with a plugged element such as this one. So that's why it's extremely important to change your filter elements often, especially in high horsepower, high flow applications where you're recirculating fuel at a high rate of speed. On the flip side here, we've got a couple of paper elements. You can easily see the difference between one of the filters which has been ran and is fairly dirty versus one that's clean. So just something to pay attention to. Inspect your filters, check them often, and replace them as necessary, because it's very cheap insurance for keeping your fuel system in top shape for the race season or your upcoming car cruising season. You can find all the replacement filters on our website too at aeromotiveinc.com.